100, crest jump. 100, 4 right. 200 over bumps, turn square left, do not cut. Into a 3 right and a 2 left. 24 left and crest 2 right. 40, 6 right in the middle over crest. 80, fast 4 left past the house. 150, middle over crest 100. Slightly right over crest jump 200. Middle over crest jump 300. Turn fast square right. 60, flat crest jump. 200, 4 left. 330 over flat crest. Turn square right, narrows over gravel. 100 out, caution gravel on it. Fast 4 left, 170. Flat crest, 130. Care, crest past junction, only 40, 2 right and 5 left. 80, 3 left in. 270 up the middle. Crest, only 60. 3 left at the lane. Repeat, crest, only 60. 3 left at the lane. 80, fast 3 right. 100, fast 2 right. 60, 5 left, 40, short 3 left. Repeat, 5 left, 40, short 3 left. 100. Turn hairpin right. 400 out. 4 left, half long, flat. 400 out and 4 left, half long. Repeat, 4 left, half long. 450 over bumps. Crest. 250. Turn square left at the top. Repeat, square left at the top. And 5 right. And 5 right again. Into crest, short 3 right and late 3 left. 60, long 4 right, into crest. 40, 4 left, tightens, 60. Crest into long 3 right, opens at the gate, 60. 4 right, into 3 left, 80 down the middle. 4 right, 80.
No, 4 right.
This is it, 80, 5 right over crest. Move it early. This is your 4 right, 80, 5 right over crest. 40, 6 right into 6 left over crest. 40, crest, 4 left, into slow 5 right, into 3 left. And 3 right into crest, into late 2 left. And long 5 right, tightens to 3 right. And 5 left. And 3 right. Into 5 left. 60. Care, 5 left, tightens and 4 right. And 6 left, 100, slippy. Caution, 3 right. Slippy under the trees, 40, danger, late 2 left, very slippy. And 5 right over dip past the junction into crest. Into 5 left. Only 60 over crest. 3 right. And very long 4 left over dip, tightens. Into long 4 right and 2 right. And very long 4 left. big 3, 130, turn fast 2 right and 3 left, into 2 right, repeat 3 left into 2 right, very long 4 left, 30, 4 right and tight 4 left and 4 right into left on crest and 4 right, 60, 4 left, only 40, turn hairpin right into 3 right, repeat hairpin right into 3 right and a tight 2 left, repeat the tight 2 left, back off, 200, press jump okay, and 6 left into 5 right, 100, care right on crest and short 4 left over crest, jump, 80 down, 4 right past the lane, 100, 3 left, 100, 6 left up, 60, right on crest, into 4 left, into 5 right, continues over crest, 100 down the middle, 3 right past the sign, only 60, turn hairpin left, 40, 5 left, 30, very long, fast 4 right under the pylons, 80, fast 4 left, do not cut over the bump, do not cut, and 5 right in, into long 6 left over crest, only 40, 3 left at the end of the fence and a short 2 right, go easy for that, 300, square right at the lane, hard to see, and a 5 left over crest, repeat square right, hard to see, and a 5 left over crest, 60, 2 left into square right, kink, slippy here, 60, square right, do not cut at the gate, over gravel and muck, 250 up the middle, do not cut, and a square left, 100, caution, slow, 3 left, into 2 right kink, caution, slow, 3 left into 2 right kink, 100, 5 left into 4 right, and turn square left into 2 right in, 60 over gravel, 5 left, 80, 5 right, 130, turn square left into flat 4 right, 100, 2 left, do not cut, into long 3 right, and 5 left over dip and 4 left, and crest fast 2 right and right on flat crest, 80, crest 4 right and 5 left into crest, 40, fast 4 right and 5 left, only 40, turn fast square right,
That's fast 4 right,
let's fast square right and 4 right, 60, flat crest 100, fast 4 left, 60, short 3 right, repeat 60, short 3 right into crest into 3 left, 40, 3 right over crest and 5 left, 100, care, 4 left into care, long 3 right, tightens over crest, really slippy, care, and flat crest and very long 6 left, 150 flat to the finish, 6 left over the finish line past the face.